This na Pidgin Newsman about and reporting. For inside the meeting wey Lebanese Supreme Defense Council dey do, they yarn say the ogbonge bomb wey blow for Beirut on Tuesday evening. Say na for inside a port na happen o. Come yarn say na one of the door for the port hangar where they store explosive material. Say they not close and well, na make and take blow. For inside Lebanon on Tuesday evening, August 4th, one beautiful bride wey dey do wedding, as she dey post to take picture, na so the ogbonge explosion come blow for inside Beirut. On Saturday, August 1st, one husband and wife don accuse their house girl wey dey slap their newborn pikin like say na baby rubber the boy be. For inside one video wey dey record for Hebei, China, and they don report the case, take give a call over them wey dey torchlight the matter. After wey one drug store for inside Port Harcourt, Rivers State, wey be Boost Pharmacy Limited, sell hydroxychloroquine for 50,000. Federal authority for inside Nigeria don dey torchlight all the drug store for inside the country because of the high price of hydroxychloroquine, the malaria drug wey dey yarn say dey cure COVID-19. The approved price of petrol for inside Nigeria August go increase by 18% according to wetin dey calculating, and consumers dem don dey wait for the new retail price of the commodity by Petroleum Product Pricing Regulatory Agency. Deputy Director Army Public Relations in 82 Division of the Army don yarn for one open talk on Wednesday for inside Enugu. Say the two soldiers dem wey dey catch for the Bulo van armed robbery for inside Abakaliki for Ebonyi State, say dem no be real soldiers o, say dem be fake. United States African Command don draw hand for ear take give West Africa obodo country. Say ISWAP and Al-Qaeda terrorist group say they don dey take over West African countries small after wey they don comot for Syria and Iraq. And na the commander of U.S. Operation Command Africa, Major General Davin Anderson, na him yarn this one. The Department of State Service on Wednesday don catch and arrest Olawale Bakare and 6 other Revolution Now people wey dey protest and they wear orange cap for Olaila area, Osogbo, Osun State capital. The Niger Delta Development Commission don bring out a list of the people wey dey give contract, and na Godswill Akpabio, the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, na him bring the list out. And the people wey dey give the contract na the 2 former governor of Delta State, James Ibori, Emmanuel Oduaga, and the former Abia State Governor wey be Ojus Okalo, and Senator Peter Nwaboshi. The video wey they share on top Twitter on Wednesday by Bulama Bugatti, the human rights activist lawyer, show the head of Boko Haram wey be Sheka where they pray for inside Niger State with other 100 Boko Haram members there for Eid Kabir. Lagos State Governor wey be Babajide Sanwo-Olu don revoke the 2018 land use charge, and a Lagos Commissioner for Finance wey be Dr. Rabi Olowo na him yarn this one for one open talk on Wednesday. This na Pidgin News Network with a yarn Pidgin English. Na me man about an MC dey here na in the yarn, so make una get conscious day.